Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to begin by confirming prerequisites: storage, battery, and recording app. Open your recorder, pick MP3 or M4A because WhatsApp accepts those reliably. Tap record and speak clearly, hold the phone steady, avoid wind noise. Once done, stop and listen briefly to confirm content and volume. If levels are low, re-record a short segment. Make sure to trim silence at the start and end. This saves time later and ensures your recipient hears the intended message without edits. Now save and prepare the file for sharing. Use the recorder's trim tool to remove dead space, then export or save as MP3 or M4A. This preserves quality while staying compatible. Open your Files app or File Manager to locate the saved recording. If needed, rename it with a short descriptive title so you can find it quickly. Once the file is visible in the folder, confirm size. WhatsApp limits attachments to about 100 MB, so compress or re-record shorter if necessary. Finally, open WhatsApp and go to the chat. Tap the attach icon and choose document rather than audio or voice note. This preserves original quality and metadata. Navigate to your saved file, select it, and send. After sending, ask the recipient to confirm playback. Make sure they can download it. If sending fails, check the file size, switch to MP3 or M4A, enable storage permissions, and ensure you have a stable connection. Reattempt after fixing the specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.